My name is Arne, and I work as an IoT systems lead on the R&D department in Norway. Connectivity is a key part of Industry 4.0. It enables us to connect to the equipment at the customer site that in turn opens the door for remote troubleshooting, remote fine-tuning, remote provisioning, remote monitoring, and in the future, remote predictive maintenance capabilities. What we're doing is that we are integrating our machines with an IoT component, which we from our offices can connect remotely to. This enables us to help you with services and fine-tuning, and instead of shipping an engineer, we can enable collaboration with you as the customer to remotely bring specialized knowledge to your site.